Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial today I'm going to be showing you how I do my basic sweet pink eye makeup. So if you are interested in seeing how I do that, please keep watching this video. Starting out with Wet n Wild's Photo Focus Primer, I'm putting that all over my face, and you're gonna notice that I'm gonna go from slightly red to majorly red in about a few seconds. Taking LA Colors Color Corrector, I'm putting this all over my areas of redness. So this is the green shade, this is brand new. And I've only used it a couple times. It's kind of difficult to get used to. Just kind of be sparingly when you use it the first time. Taking CoverGirl's Clean Concealer in Fair, I'm putting this under my eye areas and over my acne scars because there's a lot. So we're putting that there, and I'm buffing it in with the large oval brush that AJ gave me. I use this in a pinch if the other one's dirty, but honestly, I don't really see a difference between this and the original foundation brush that I do use, so you can go either way with these. Using Maybelline's Matte and Poreless Fit Me Foundation in 102. Can't believe I'm even doing this. I wasn't originally going to. This was just going to be a separate tutorial, but I'm going to fill in my eyebrows for you guys. Taking Milani's Vivid Brights palette, I'm taking the blue and the purple and kind of layering them on top of each other and going really back and forth between those. Not setting my foundation yet because this will help it stick better and they'll be a little more pigmented. And for the tail end of my eyebrow, I'm using Maybelline's Pure Pigments in Never Fade Jade because that is the closest to the green in my hair that I have. After setting my face and going into my eye area with Maybelline's Master Prime all over my eyelids so nothing goes anywhere. For my color, we're going in with the Maybelline Color Tattoo in Too Cool to set a white base down for all those colors to sit on so they're a little more vivid than usual. We are going in with my LA Colors Nude palette. This is going to have all the colors that we're actually going to use, the white, the pink, and the mauve colors. The pink going in our crease, and then we're going to go back in with the mauve a little later. For liner, I'm using e.l.f.'s gel or cream liner in black with my angled brow brush, funny enough. Giving myself a little wing, and then going over top of that with Kat Von D's tattoo liner in the color Trooper. Honestly, I like this combo a lot. It doesn't move, and it does come off very easily with a makeup wipe, which is really nice because then I don't have to rub at my eyes, but it does stay on all day, so I'm super impressed with that because not a lot of liquid liners that I have do that good of a job. And to finish out our look, I'm going in with Kiss Me's liquid lipstick in the shade Rome. This is more of a brown toned, not nude, but mauve color. I mean, I guess it's nude depending on, you know, your lip color and stuff. But I really liked it for this look. I didn't want to go too crazy and match it all, especially with my eyebrows being as crazy colored as they were with this whole look. So that is what we're going to finish that off with. That is liquid to matte. It's not really non-transferable, but your lips don't stick when you smack them together, which is really nice. And that is our finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. There will be another video in a couple weeks. I'm planning on putting up one at least 2 to 3 times a month per filming schedule, or the month, or however it goes. But if you guys liked it, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe down below while you're down there. And if you guys want to follow me anywhere on my social media, my Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook links are down below. Facebook.com/EyeOfTheNightArt. And I will see you guys in the next video.